Hey guys, this is Hisham from WPCreator.com, and in this video let's talk about analytics. Analytics are very important to collect for your website. If you're not collecting analytics for your website, you're really missing out on a lot of data. With analytics, you can kind of understand exactly where your website visitors are coming from, how many visitors you're getting a day, and with that information, it can enable you to make more informed decisions. So for instance, if you know that, hey, I'm getting most of my visitors from this source, let's say from Facebook or from Quora or from wherever, then you can kind of like focus on those sources to get more and more visitors. And it can also help you like improve the pages that are getting the most visitors. Let's say this one page is getting a lot of views from Google search, so it's one of your most valuable pages, so you need to go in there and tweak it and just keep on making it better and better, so that from that one page you can get a visitor to get in there and check out your other web pages, and that will like make your website a lot better and keep the visitors for longer, and hopefully make you sales and conversions and get email leads. So analytics is very important. So let's go ahead and get into how to set up analytics for your WordPress website. The first thing you need to do is create a Google Analytics account, and it's free, 100% free. All you need is a Gmail account, and you're able to set up your Google Analytics account. So if you don't know how to do it, just go to Google and search for Google Analytics. Actually, let's just go to google.com, and then from here let's search for Google Analytics, and then it should pop up. It's going to be the first link. Just click on the first link and it'll ask you to sign in. Just sign into Analytics, and that should open up a new tab right there. For me, since I'm already signed in, it's just going to take me directly to my account, but for you it's going to ask you to enter your email address and password. And then once we get here, the first thing we need to do is on the bottom left you'll see an admin option, so just click on admin, and here we're going to create a new property. Actually, if you do not have an account yet, it's going to ask you to create an account, so you just follow the instruction for that, and then you come in here and create a property. So property is something like a website, or whatever other properties that they support, or maybe a mobile app you can track or something like that. But for here, we're just going to use a website property, and we just need to enter information for our specific website. For instance, the website name, for me it's going to be WP Created, and you need to just paste the URL. And if you have SSL installed, be sure to choose the HTTPS instead. So for me it's going to be WP Created, I can't spell, created .com. So it's the WPCreated.com, and then it's going to ask you to, so for here, let me just choose that. It's going to ask you to select industry. This is optional, but it probably helps them. And then another very important thing to do is select your time zone, because the analytics are going to be based on specific time, and if it does not match your time, you're going to get like very confusing data. So just choose the specific time zone that you're at. For me, I'm in Central Time, so just choose that, and then click on Get Tracking ID. So here it's going to generate a tracking ID, but we're not really going to use it right now. We need to just jump back into our WordPress installation and then install a plugin that's going to connect our website to Google Analytics. Alright, so I've already logged into my WordPress account. You just need to go in, log into your WordPress installation, log into your website, and then under plugins, click on add new plugins, and it's going to bring you to this page right here where you can install all different kinds of plugins. So on the top right, you'll see the search plugins search bar. Here, just search for analytics. Analytics, and you'll see actually there are quite a few different analytics plugins that can help you connect your website to Google Analytics. But personally, I like this first one right here. It's called Google Analytics Dashboard for WP. It's super simple to use. It's absolutely free. I don't even think that they have a premium version or anything like that. I like it because it's very simple and it has like over 1 million active installations, so that means something. The other one right here, the Monster Insights, is pretty cool as well, but for now let's just go with this. So click on install now, and then once you click on install now, you have to click on activate, and then that will activate this plugin. So once we activate it, we need to go in and actually connect this plugin to our analytics dashboard. All right, so on the bottom left right here, you'll see Google Analytics. So just click on that. Here's where we can tweak the settings for that plugin. All right, so the first option here says authorize plugin. We need to do that. So you just click on authorize plugin, and it's going to ask for an access code. So this access code, we need to get it from Google Analytics, and they actually made it super easy to do that. Right on top here, you see this link, get access code. Just click on that link and it will take you to sign in to your Google Analytics account. For me, since I've already been signed in, I just click on the account I want. It won't ask me for the username and password, but for you, it might ask you for the username and password or not if you're already signed into your Google Analytics account. And then just click on allow. Once you click on allow, here you get this long, crazy code right here. You just need to copy it. There's no way to type it in. Just copy it. So just select it, right click, copy, or Control C, and then go back to your WordPress plugin settings. And then under access code, you can either do Control V or right click and paste, and then click on save access code. All right, so now that you click on that, that is awesome. Now it actually recognizes that, hey, we already set up a property within our Google Analytics account. So under here, general settings, select view. Here they call it view. In Google Analytics, they call it property. I don't know why, but yeah, you just come down here. If you have multiple websites, just select this specific website that you created within your Google Analytics account. And that's why it's very important to do that first and then come here and set this plugin. All right, and it's actually good to just click on lock selection so that nobody will come in and mess with your analytics and try to point all the data that comes from your website to another account. But yeah, just click on lock analytics and click on save changes, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You have successfully connected your website to Google Analytics. Now this plugin actually has like a dashboard, I believe. I don't really use the dashboard for this plugin. I always use the Google Analytics plugin and dashboard. So yeah, right here, if you click on your WordPress dashboard and come down here, you'll see Google Analytics dashboard. And once your website starts getting traffic, you can come down here and select like, hey, I want to know real time what's going on. You see here it's saying real time 0, so we do not have any visitors to our website. But let me just go to my website. Let me just open a new tab and go to wpcreated.com, and then let's go back to the dashboard, and this number should change from 0 to 1. I don't know how responsive, how quick it is, but it should do that. All right, today, don't see anything for today under real time. Okay, let's go check out how it looks under the Google Analytics. So let's go back here, click on home. All right, and then we can, on the left hand side, we can click on real time and then just overview. And yep, there it is. It shows that we have 1 visitor to our website right now. So it works. It shows that we have successfully connected our WordPress account to the Google Analytics. And actually, where is this? I don't know why this thing hasn't updated yet. So that's why I tried to use the Google Analytics. Oh, there it is. But I tried to use the Google Analytics dashboard and charts and graphs instead of using this plugin, because another really cool thing about Google Analytics is they have a mobile app. So just go, if you have an iPhone or Android, just search for Google Analytics, and you can download the app, and from there you can just real time, wherever you are, just check out your analytics, just see how many visitors you have, what website, what web pages they're looking at, and all that fun stuff. You'll get a lot of data. It's good to familiarize yourself with the Google Analytics dashboard. I might actually create another video on all the features and all the data that Google Analytics provides. But for now, I'll just leave it right here. We've successfully connected our website with Google Analytics, and yeah, that's awesome. So yeah, just be sure to, subscribe to this channel. I'll be providing a lot of awesome content about different things to do with your WordPress website. And yeah, you're definitely going to learn a lot. And if you have any tips or tricks that you use, please leave a comment under this video. I would like to learn from you as well and share that knowledge with everybody else who's watching this video. So thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in the next video.